So may ilan sa inyo guys ang nagtatanong kung okay ba to for acne-prone skin itong Face Republic Calming Acne Salicylic Cleanser. Sa mga hindi familiar sa product na to, ganito po ang itsura ng mismong actual component, and I want you to know guys na if you're dealing with acne or if you have oily skin, as in super effective po talaga ng facial wash na to. So sa mga hindi pa po familiar sa facial wash na to, this contains powerful ingredients guys for acne care and oil control. So meron po itong salicylic acid, green tea extract, and centella asiatica. Hindi din po ito nakakagasgas ng face kasi soft gel type po ito na klase na facial wash. So if you have sensitive or textured skin na guys, katulad ko, as in magugustuhan nyo po itong facial wash na to. And I want you to know na this has mild pH formula, so safe na safe ang inyong mga skin barrier. Meron din po itong ceramide and hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated and plump. And sa mga kinakabahan dyan na baka hindi po reliable itong facial wash na to, guys, ang tagal na nito, and this is FDA notified na klase na facial wash. This is dermatologically tested, vegan certified mga kapatids. This is made in Korea guys and fragrance free. So if you're struggling with acne or oiliness, I highly recommend this facial wash. And to make sure na legit po ang mabili nyo, ililink ko po dito ang official Face Republic shop sa Yellow Basket.